notice there's this cut. I can finally see the difference. Yeah. So today I'll be adding a fairy light here because रात के time it still looks really cute, but यहाँ अंदर I need light ताकि मैं रात में भी still यहाँ पे अगर मेरा main light भी switch off हो जा रहा है, so I can still read here because I love sitting here and reading my novel or book, whatever. Oh my god, this looks really, really pretty. Okay. Hi everyone. Today's topic is something I've not made any script about. It's a heart-to-heart conversation between you and me. I am lately so tired about the fact what the people are doing nowadays. It's really concerning. I am so done with people enjoying their clubbing life, their hookup cultures and everything, eating whatever the hell they want, and later on complaining about it and acting all surprised about it. It's like a loop. They know the way out, but they are not willing to. It's like they are addicted to it. They are low-key enjoying victimizing themselves and complaining all about it, just acting all miserable and victim mindset and all. I hate it. Life is not that complicated. It was never complicated. You made it complicated. It's a you problem. When I was in college, I was literally mocked about being boring. I was boring because I was loyal, I was committed, and I was doing bhakti, and I was not drinking, and I was not clubbing. Ki if this is misery, if this is boring, I am so happy being a boring person, especially in this era as a Gen Z, as Gen Alpha and whatsoever, जो भी generation आने वाला, like I don't even have that much of an idea. But bhakti will be so difficult at the same time. It's so easy, Kali-yuga is all about illusion and lots of mayas, and we are bound to be trapped and all. But everything has its pros and cons. And the pro about Kali-yuga is bhakti is easy. All we have to do is naam jap. को मन करे या ना करे, at least initiate. At least आप एक step तो बढ़ाओ ताकि भगवान आपके towards 100 और steps बढ़ा सके. That's what I'm trying to convey. It's such a complex and vast topic कि मैं एक छोटे से 15-20 minutes के वीडियो में मैं नहीं फ्रेम कर पाऊँगी. But in short, I can tell you that do Naam Jap. If you're curious to know more about it, there are lots of videos. Choose your sampradaya, ask God for clarity and for path and for a vision, ताकि आप उस path की तरफ जा सको without making it complicated. Bhakti is very simple. It's a simple thing. Karma is such a complex cycle. We don't know what's gonna happen next. At least और भार मत बढ़ाओ. जितना हम बैड कर्म कर चुके उसको उतना ही रहने दो एंड भक्ति करके आगे निकलो. इतना सारा भक्ति एंड गुड कर्मास करो ताकि उसका जो पल रहा है वो भारी रहे. बाकी जो भी लोग आजकल कर रहे हैं, आई डोंट नो अबाउट माई कर्मा. ऑल आई नो कि पिछले कुछ सालों में मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट, बट एटलीस्ट आई एम नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटिंग थिंग्स, राइट? like clubbing and all those things. These things are not cool. If you think these things are cool, अगर मैं मुझको show off भी करना है, these are not it. Don't do it. A lot of things are not in our control, and we are not supposed to take that control as well. So, this is not everything. This is very temporary. You are supposed to do things जो life के बाद आने वाली है. It sounds really crazy. It's scary, but it's the harsh truth. I'm still learning a lot of things. It's just I'm saying कि at least आप bad कर्मास मत करो. अगर आप कुछ अच्छा भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो, it's okay. But कुछ bad मत करो. God should be the center of your everything. God should be like the center of your gravity. अगर किसी भी relationship, work, कर्म, anything का sole purpose and center God नहीं है, that is not going to work. That is an illusion.